Oh, there we go.
I never drunk before.
Yeah, that's
I feel dizzy, girl.
Okay, so we're about to check this food, y'all. What is it? What we got? I just had an almond sour, and then I had a shot of what is it? Tequila.
Tequila, yeah.
A shot of tequila.
I had a fireball, and then I don't know what the other.
Vodka Sprite, and then this is what we're having now is a rum and coke with grenadine.
Oh Lord.
Oh
my God.
I'm in the middle.
Yeah.
I was like, what's going on over here? Oh shit. And we're out.
Look.
Okay, yeah, y'all.
A little hair on your chest. Not too much.
I want those. Oh my God, these look. This is the type of seats I want, y'all. Kinda hungry. I want something light though, not too much.
Yeah. But why do my feet feel like this? They feel like
Michi leave tomorrow at 7.
Hey, yo, let's try to get up in,
I want one of those.
Hey, we're gonna try to get up in the electric hall. You know, we ain't looking the greatest.
We ain't fancy.
What's he like? Oh yeah, come on, yeah.
Bree fancy though, y'all. Don't get it fucked up. Bree fancy. Bree will get in there. Us?
But no, I won't get in there because of these.
That Gucci bag.
Yeah, that one.
I want one of
You see that Gucci bag? Baby?
Okay.
Get your ass up in here, girl. What's
Let's
you out
see
here
the fake
with these
Gucci.
bums?
Ah.
Thank you so much.
What happened? He said,
Hey, meet you with the fade.
Meet you, he said what? Yeah.
Okay, Meech. Meech with the fade. Hey, hey.
What did he say?
He said to the side. Damn, this is like somebody's house or something.
Okay.
It like they getting cracking in there.
Yeah, motherfuckers wearing heels and shit. We finna get the hell out.
Bitch, was on that water. Bitch, you threw that water. Bitch, you got your ass kicked.
No. But he said, hey, look. That's the thing. I said, how we go about get up in here? He said, you have to know somebody. Otherwise, you guys have to buy a table. Somebody, all right, we might have to buy a table. Somebody, how much a table? 500. Hey, look. Hey, you have a great night. Look.
I got 100K on YouTube, motherfucker. What you mean? That's
no.
You put that fame shop.
Nah, you trying to put that cash out. That's all I want to see.
That's why, look.
Oh my goodness.
That's why everybody up here.
Damn. Okay. Shorty ass laid out.
His feet hanging right by them tires.
Damn. Folks ass.
Oh, girl.
Okay.
The ghetto.
I want to see something over there.
No, your feet are right by the tires. I'm gonna move you over a little bit. Yeah, I got you.
Oh, look at him helping. Oh, Dimitri, you're such a godsend.
No, but he needs to move out. His feet are right there. That's what I'm saying.
He's gonna roll over you.
Alright.
No, are you about to leave? Yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah, you need to move, brother.
I can watch you as you go off.
Demetrius is a godsend.
He sure is.
Because, baby, listen, you gonna get your ass. You gonna get fucked up.
Oh. He about to roll over. I know you tired.
No, he good. I got it. I'm watching you right now.
Demetrius, you a Christian. Right, okay, Christian man.
Hey, y'all remember, people are people, y'all.
Yeah.
No matter who they is, people.
Okay.
Yeah, you ain't that motherfucker drunk, nigga.
Let's go ahead. Hey, turn up.
That's what they want.
Say hey to YouTube.
See YouTube famous, y'all.
I probably won't get in.
Thank you.
Matt's inspired, so I don't think I get in.
She just turned 23 yesterday, so she all got that stuff. So
I really could.
Okay.
You're not supposed to get in, but I'll let you know.
Thank you.
we all have to fucking pee. Be a man and fucking get your testicles together. Alright, so I'm gonna do it this way.
My man trying to get. Huh? That's right. That's a good best friend. That's good.
Oh,
Bree Bree, yeah, go ahead, get it out. I told you to drink water, Bree Bree.
Yeah.
Oh, what? Girl. Girl. Hey, y'all, the camera finna die. I'm gonna have to cut it here, unfortunately. I'm her best friend, Michi. I'm gonna be back again for Layla's birthday, so y'all gonna see me again soon. I love y'all. Have a good night. Everybody have a great weekend. Hope all the fathers out there, you know, everybody. I hope everybody had a great weekend. All right, I'll talk to y'all later.